Hey guys, just a Honduras review. I'm going to show you guys all the greenery, all the nature you're going to see of Honduras. And and I like Honduras, but it's really a huge language barrier. Before you come here, you need to speak a whole bunch of Spanish to get around over here. So, peace. Let's get straight into this video. Oh yeah, and in my last video on the shoutouts, you might have heard me say JDH Flower. I'm going to say JHD Flower. Go subscribe to her right now. And let's get straight into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.